Freshdesk Customer Portal allows you to give your clients a platform to ask questions, suggest ideas, share experiences, and engage with other users. Click on the Sign Up button. Enter your full name and email address. Click on the Register button. After clicking on Register button, a user will receive an activation email. Open the activation email and click the URL below. Enter your password to activate your account in Portal. Click on Activate and Login button. Open a Tickets tab and click on New Support Ticket. Now fill subject and description of relevant issue where you can attach a file. Click on Submit button. Click on Check Ticket Status button to check the status of ticket.